sorry, do banks still have interest in our money saved? I don't know. I don't know. Don't buy a land in a site that has not been developed and you don't fence the land. Hmm? Don't buy a land when you are not ready to at least build a structure in it. So this video is going to be to my family. If you're still in Nigeria or any African country that can relate to what is currently happening in the country, please do well to watch this video to the very end. Yeah, don't miss any part of this. So now, Nigerians, if you're still in Nigeria and you're saving money in bank, that they will remove SMS alerts, monthly charges, ATM charges, POS, everything charges. You just see your account, debit, debit, debit. You can't even be able to calculate how much was subtracted at the end of the month. You just so that money is just leaving your account a little bit. So if you are in your home country and you can relate to what is currently happening in Nigeria, please, this video is for you. In this video, I'll be sharing with you 5 businesses you can do that will earn you money. Please avoid saving money in bank. Except it's just money you just want to use for. Instead of you saving money in bank, better you go and invest that money in business. And I'm not talking about MMN or all these affiliates kind of business where they will say bring 10,000 to earn 100,000. No, legit business that you can see is what you can see and you can touch and you can feel and you know the process of how it sells. Stay by. Stick to this video. Let's watch this video to the end. So number one business you can go into is agriculture. Now, don't look at it like, oh, I'm saying Chama is saying go to the farm and start, you know, cultivating cassava and the likes or harvesting products. No. What I mean is that what are the agricultural products you can sell? Right? Whether you can sell it here or you can export it. The goal is to make money. Money is what we're after. Now, one of the good business you can sell that even if you save it or you store it for a long period of time, it will not get spoiled is palm oil. That business is gold. Palm oil business. It doesn't go out. And the business, as long as the palm oil is airtight in a plastic container, it would stay. It will be preserved. It won't get spoiled. It can be there for years. Another business you can do is crayfish business. Crayfish business. You can also go into crayfish business where you buy crayfish in bulk. You can go to, if you are in Lagos, you know Oyinbo market. I don't know other markets around Nigeria or around any part of the African country that will be watching this video. You can also go into that kind of business and either you sell within your own country or you export. You can also buy because crayfish itself, as long as it's well dried, it doesn't get spoiled. Than for you to go and save that money, 20,000 naira in bank. That look at that money. I don't do sorry, do banks still have interest in our money saved? I don't know. I don't know. But instead of you to go and save that 20,000 naira in bank, I would advise that that same 20,000 naira, use it to go and buy palm oil, right? Even if it's like a keg of palm oil, I don't think it's 20, I think it should be more than a big keg of palm oil. Buy it and save it there. In the next 2 months, that 20,000 naira keg of palm oil would not still be 20,000 naira. It might be most likely 22,000 naira or 23,000 naira. At least 3,000 is added to it. 3,000 is added to it. If that money is in bank, haba, nothing. Can you be able to save money in bank like 20,000 naira and see 3,000 naira at the end of 3 months? No, no, no. The answer is no. It's not possible. Let's be sincere with ourselves. It's not possible. Number two business I want you to venture into if you're still in your home country is buying of land. Yes, buying of land. Now listen to me. Put your hands like this. I did not say go and buy land with your boyfriend. Don't buy land with somebody you don't trust. Don't buy land with somebody that will kill you. Get it from me. Now, when you are buying land, it's a good investment. 100,000 naira used to buy a land in Abeokuta. In 1 year time, that 100,000 naira would have multiplied. And if you put that 100,000 naira in bank, you won't see that 100,000 naira in 1 year time. It might have even depreciated. If you compare the money with what is in dollar and right now, or what that 100,000 value be as of a year after, it will be the same. You'll have depreciated. So what I'm saying is that if you have money to go into land buying, right? Please go into it. And let me tell you, don't buy a land in a site that has not been developed and you don't fence the land. Hmm? Don't buy a land when you are not ready to at least build a structure in it. You see all these omonile, they can get your land, take your land from you. I'm serious, they can take your land from you. So I will advise you, if you have money, buy the land. After a while, fence the land, fence it. Try your best, build a structure in it, even if it's a shop. Let a shop be inside. Let them know that if somebody comes into the land, they will know that, oh, somebody owns this place, right? Fence it. And if you can get COO from the government, or you get surveyors to survey your land to let them know that at least that land becomes registered under the government, why not? Please go for it. Now, who are those sponsoring this video? If you want a legit land agent, legit, that's going to sell land to you based on your budget, right? At least they'll tell you their price range. Please have a legit, trusted person that you can reach out to. I will leave their phone number here. Legit, take it from me. Take me anywhere and take my picture that, oh, Chama Evo was the one that showed this person. I think that I don't want to put a price, but you can get land within the range of at least, no, at least no, just reach out to them and they will put you in the right direction. They will let you know how to go about it. Don't go and buy land you don't fence. I've said it though. Don't go and buy. See, if you buy a land, take it from me. If you go and buy land from them, and they've advised you on what to do, you still don't fence it. You still don't do little things on it, or even put any like agricultural activities on it. You can be planting cassava, whatever, on the land. At least make sure the land is engaged. Make sure. Don't keep it barren. Don't keep it like a virgin land. Ensure you engage on the land. If you buy land from them and you don't do all these things and they take your land away after years, you're on your own. Oh. That's your own. I've advised you. Ensure you buy the land. After buying the land, fence it. Not 3 by 3. Oh, you know 3 by 3 that they put at this junction. No, fence the land and try to engage activities on the land, whether agricultural, whether structural activity. Engage on the land. Ensure that there's activity on that land. Now, the next is transportation. If you have money, right? There are a lot of youths that are not employed now. That will go and save money in bank. Use that money, buy Mara, buy, like, now there are no more bikes like in places like Lagos. I don't know other parts of the country. You can get Mara. There are youths around that would love to engage themselves in transport business. You can outsource this. If you don't have money to buy a car for Uber, you can do this transportation. You can use Mara. There are guys that will be ready. They will just do your arrangements with them, and at the end of the month, they'll bring back money, or at the end of the week, they'll bring back money. So transportation is the next. If you have money right now, don't save the money in bank. Use it for something profitable. Number next I have here is food processing. Food processing business. If you can go into food processing business or food exportation, please go into it. Or any kind of food business that involves cooking, any form of food business, please go into it. There is money in it. So I think I'll be ending this video. I don't want this video to be too lengthy. If you would like to buy land, legit, like you just want a land somewhere, I have a trusted agent you can reach out to, and whatsoever you discuss with them, that's able to ensure that they are trusted. Additionally, if you've not enrolled for my 3 month course to learn French, you have to learn French. You have to be bilingual. So if you are speaking with your customers in France or in outside of Nigeria that want to buy your business, your local business, you have to let them know that, oh, I can speak French. Eh? So if you would like to learn French in 3 months, please enroll for this course. Trust me, it is worth it. So if you're interested, there's a link in the description box below. Click that link in the description box below and send a direct message to that particular WhatsApp number. And I'll see you in the next video. Au revoir. Don't forget to like this video. Please, 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 please like this video. Like. Thank you so much for watching my video. And I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.